71 species in genus Urtica. The stinging nettle, a love-hate relationship. My name is Ferb Vu, and I have a confession to make. I have a complicated relationship with the Urtica genus. Most people recoil at the mere mention of nettles, those prickly plants with a reputation for inflicting pain. But I'm drawn to them, fascinated by their resilience and surprising versatility. It all started in my grandmother's garden. As a child, I was warned to steer clear of the Tam Ma, the Vietnamese name for stinging nettles. But curiosity got the better of me, and one fateful day, I brushed against a patch of Urtica dioica, the common nettle. The burning sensation was immediate and intense, like 1,000 tiny needles piercing my skin. I cried, of course, but I also learned a valuable lesson about respecting nature's defenses. However, my grandmother, a woman of immense practical wisdom, also showed me the other side of the nettle. She explained that these plants, despite their sting, were a valuable source of food and medicine. I watched in amazement as she carefully harvested the young leaves, using gloves and scissors to avoid the stinging hairs. She then blanched the nettles, transforming them from prickly foes into a delicious and nutritious ingredient in soups and stir-fries. That day, my perception of nettles shifted. They were no longer just adversaries to be avoided, but complex organisms worthy of respect and even admiration. This early encounter sparked a lifelong interest in the Urtica genus, leading me to explore its diverse species and their fascinating properties. A closer look at the nettle family. The Urtica genus belongs to the Urticaceae family, which comprises around 2,600 species worldwide. These plants are characterized by their stinging hairs, known as trichomes, which contain irritating chemicals like histamine and formic acid. When brushed against, the tips of these hairs break off, injecting the chemicals into the skin, causing the characteristic burning sensation. While the sting is undoubtedly unpleasant, it is also a testament to the nettle's remarkable survival strategy. This defense mechanism protects the plant from herbivores, allowing it to thrive in a variety of environments. But the Urtica genus is far more than just its sting. It encompasses a diverse group of plants with a wide range of characteristics and uses. See full list at monsteraholic.com. The many faces of the nettle. Beyond their sting, nettles possess a wealth of properties that have been recognized and utilized by humans for centuries. The leaves are rich in vitamins A and C, iron, and other nutrients, making them a valuable food source. They can be cooked like spinach, added to soups and stews, or brewed into a refreshing tea. Nettles also have a long history of medicinal use. Traditional healers have employed them to treat a variety of ailments, including arthritis, allergies, and skin conditions. Modern research has confirmed some of these traditional uses, finding that nettles possess anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, and antimicrobial properties. Furthermore, nettle fibers can be used to make textiles, paper, and even biofuel. This sustainable and versatile material has the potential to replace less eco-friendly options, contributing to a more sustainable future. A continuing fascination. My childhood encounter with the stinging nettle sparked a lifelong fascination with this intriguing plant. Over the years, I have continued to explore its many facets, learning about its biology, its cultural significance, and its potential to benefit humanity. The nettle, despite its prickly exterior, is a symbol of resilience, adaptability, and hidden potential. It teaches us that even the most unassuming organisms can possess remarkable qualities and that adversity can often lead to unexpected discoveries. So the next time you encounter a nettle, I urge you to look beyond its sting and appreciate the complex and fascinating organism it truly is.